This is an extremely interesting living challenge for black. Of course, there are many variations that you can try, so please go ahead and try some of the variations on your own, because I'm only going to show you the correct variation, which is by itself super cool. So the correct first few moves is actually right here. Number 1, forcing white to capture, and number 3, threatening to break out. So white cannot allow black to break out. If black breaks out, it counts as a success. And the next move is actually really important. It is for black to play right here, threatening to capture this stone. And now we'll just talk about what happens if white connects here. Now black can actually connect with number 7. So it's not a connection, you'd say black is already connected. But it's very important for black to connect into the corner like this. And the best white can do to black's ice space is just to push all around. And what's happening now is that it seems like these are all fake ice that can be poked out. But what's happening is that white will still need to destroy this eye, and black can actually live with number 21. But didn't we learn that this is the shape of a fake eye? But what's tricky about this problem, right? Let's just exhaust all the liberties on the outside and see what happens. These two seemingly fake eyes, white still cannot come in because this black group surrounds a living shape inside, and this black group, all of these black stones have 2 liberties left, and there's no way for white to come in, right? If black plays elsewhere, if you try this, Sabaki will tell you, nope, white cannot play at either of those points. And this is why this is extremely fascinating and also extremely rare. In my own games, I've played thousands of games. I've never seen this in my own real game. But this does exist, and this defies the real eye shapes that we learn as beginners. So this is why it's so interesting. Just making these 2 fake eyes will still guarantee black's success. So let's look at a couple other variations. What if white just prevents black from connecting by playing here at number 6, also making its own eye? And now black has a really good move, and that's this diagonal move on the first line. If white blocks here, now black can live this way. This should be pretty clear. Number 7 is a really good move that preserves this eye. If white connects, now black will still have to play here and try to make this eye. This way black can still live, right? 2 fake eyes, but black is all connected. White pushes here, pushes again, and play from the outside. This is still a living shape, because eventually, after black captures number 10, this whole black group will still have 2 liberties left, right? So let's just do it again, in case there's any confusion left. I'll just have black exhaust all its liberties here, this way, right? So black will still have 2 liberties left. White can throw in here, but this will still be 2 seemingly fake eyes, but it's a living shape. So that is why this is so magical. There's probably not a whole lot of takeaways in terms of technique, but this is a really cool pattern. So please feel free to show this to your other Go friends and see how they react. Hope you enjoyed this challenge, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.